student, today my topic is Nernst equation for the EMF of the cell. Its utility means its use is to calculate the electrode potential of an electrode which is not in standard state, and second thing, it is also used to calculate the cell potential of an cell whose electrode are not in the standard state. So we know that E cell is equal to E right, that is anode, that is cathode, minus EL, that is anode. The value of ER and E right and E left can be calculated with the help of Nernst equation. Nernst equation help to calculate a standard electrode potential at any concentration. So the formula given by the Nernst equation is E is equal to E naught minus 2.303 upon NF RT P upon R. So E is equal to EMF of the electrode potential at any concentration. E naught is the standard electrode potential of 1 molar concentration. 2.303 is constant value. R is gas constant. Its value is 8.314. Temperature in Kelvin is 298, that is 25 degrees centigrade at room temperature. N is number of electron lost or gained. F is Faraday constant. Its value is 96500 coulomb. P is the concentration of product in the gaseous atom, it is 1 atmosphere, and R is the concentration of reactant in gaseous state, it is also 1 atm. Now these whole value has fixed value, that is R is this and T is this. This is also a fixed value, and Faraday constant is also have fixed value. When we calculate all this thing, we get 0.059 upon N log 10 P upon R. So my question is, find the reduction potential of and the oxidation potential of Fe2 of 1 mole Fe in the solid state at the 25 degree centigrade, where the Fe plus 2 upon Fe is given at negative 0.45 volt. Now if we just put the value in this equation, according to IUPAC preference, this is the reduction potential. For the pure solid or liquid state, we take 1 mole or 1 molar for that. So according to the question, F2 just gain 2 electron to become solid. So the molar is 0.01. It is also changes into 10 to the power minus 2 concentration. Here N value is 2. So we put all the value in the formula, and when we calculate it, we get minus 0.509. This is the reduction potential, and the positive sign of 0.509 volt is oxidation potential. Now my next topic is standard hydrogen potential, or SHE or NHE, also normal hydrogen potential. First point is, it is a gas ion electrode. Gas means hydrogen gas, ions mean H ions, and in the potential reaction take place between them. The reaction take place between these two, hydrogen gas and H ion. Second is, it is the reference electron as a set by IUPAC. Third is, it can be act as both anode half cell and as well as cathode half cell. Fourth point is, its standard reduction potential as well as standard oxidation potential is assumed to be 0, that is H plus upon half H2 is 0, and half H2 upon H plus is also 0. This is reduction potential, this is oxidation potential. So the in construction we take container. In container we fill it HCl solution, and this is the glass jacket in which we take platinum wire and mercury to conduct the electricity. We pass and this wire is made up of copper and lead wire. When we pass H2, then the reaction take place between platinum and H2. Platinum absorb the H2 ions, H2 gas, and rest of the ions release in the HCl solution, forming the bubbles. So if we connect it with the zinc, if the zinc is in the left hand side, then it is act as anode, and hydrogen potential act as cathode, because zinc release electron and hydrogen from the hydrogen electrode current is released. So on putting in the value in this equation, we get minus 0.76 volt. Again, if the hydrogen electrode is as left hand side and copper electrode is in right hand side, here hydrogen act as anode and copper act as cathode. As current flow from copper to hydrogen and electron flow from hydrogen to copper. So according to this equation, we put the value, this value just given by the voltmeter. When current flow from this side and electron flow from hydrogen side, the value become 0.3 by the voltmeter. When we put the value in the equation, we get copper ion upon copper is 0.34 volt. So my question is for today, what is Nernst equation and what is standard hydrogen electrode potential? Thank you.